I almost paid for SkyReels AI on the first day. The demos looked incredible. AI generated characters, cinematic scenes, short films that looked like they came from a real production studio. And honestly, if you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, it's hard not to get excited when you see that. Because making high quality videos normally takes a lot of time and a lot of money. So I signed up and started testing it. And here's what nobody tells you before paying. The first few generations completely surprised me. Some scenes looked amazing. The camera movement felt natural. The characters were consistent. I remember thinking, okay, this is much better than I expected. But then I kept generating more videos. And that's when reality kicked in. Some outputs looked fantastic. Others looked strange. A few didn't follow my prompt at all. That's the first thing nobody talks about. SkyReels AI isn't a magic button. It's an AI creative tool. And creative tools are unpredictable. Sometimes you'll get exactly what you want. Sometimes you'll need 3 or 4 attempts, and every generation costs time and sometimes money. The second thing I learned is that prompting matters more than people think. I started with simple prompts. The results were okay. Then I became more specific. Camera angles, character descriptions, lighting, scene details. Suddenly the quality improved dramatically. That's when I realized something. The people getting amazing results aren't necessarily using better AI. They're writing better prompts. Now here's the mistake I think a lot of people are going to make. They're going to pay for SkyReels AI expecting it to replace video production completely. I don't think we're there yet. Could it replace certain projects? Absolutely. Social media videos, concept trailers, ad ideas, storyboards, creative experiments, yes. But replacing an entire production team? Not yet. The next thing I noticed was who this tool is really for. Content creators, marketing agencies, YouTubers, startup founders, small businesses that need eye-catching visuals without hiring a full video team. For those people, SkyReels AI is genuinely interesting because one great video can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But here's my honest opinion after testing it. You're not paying for guaranteed results, you're paying for speed and experimentation, the ability to create things that would have been impossible or expensive just a few years ago. Some generations will blow your mind, some won't. That's simply part of using AI video tools right now. So before you pay for SkyReels AI, understand this. The biggest feature isn't perfect video generation, it's creative leverage. It lets one person create ideas that previously required an entire team. And honestly, that's why I think so many creators are paying attention to it. Not because it's perfect, but because it shows where content creation is heading next. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.